Yahoo Finance made easy for beginners. Did you know millions of people trust Yahoo Finance to track their investments and stay ahead in the market? The best part? It's beginner-friendly. Stick around and I'll show you how to master it in no time. Yahoo Finance is more than just a website. It's your go-to toolkit for understanding the stock market, tracking investments, and making informed financial decisions. And guess what? You don't need to be an expert to use it. Let's dive in and make Yahoo Finance easy for you. Here's the deal. When beginners open a financial platform, the first reaction is usually overwhelmed. Charts, numbers, news. It's like being dropped into a foreign language class without a translator. On top of that, many platforms assume you already know the basics. They don't guide you step by step, leaving most beginners frustrated and ready to quit before they even start. But Yahoo Finance is different. It's built to simplify your journey, whether you're tracking your first stock, staying updated on market trends, or just learning the ropes. Still, without a proper guide, even the easiest tools can feel confusing. That's where I come in. Let's unlock the power of Yahoo Finance step by step. First up, creating an account. All you need is a free Yahoo account, and boom, you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a personalized dashboard where you can start building your financial toolkit. Next, let's talk about the watch list. This feature is gold for beginners. You can add stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies that you're curious about. Yahoo Finance tracks their performance in real time, so you always know where they stand. Now, the news section. Yahoo Finance aggregates the latest updates from trusted financial sources. Whether it's earnings reports, market trends, or breaking news, you'll have it all in one place. This is perfect for staying informed without having to visit multiple websites. And finally, the interactive charts. Want to see how a stock has performed over the past month, year, or decade? These charts are clean, simple, and loaded with insights to help you make smarter decisions. Let me show you how easy it is with a practical example. Say you're curious about a popular company like Tesla. On Yahoo Finance, just type in the stock name and you'll see its real-time price, historical performance, and even analyst ratings, all on one screen. Want to track it? Add it to your watch list with a single click. Want updates? Set up notifications, and Yahoo Finance will alert you about key changes, like price movements or breaking news. This isn't just for stocks either. You can track mutual funds, ETFs, and even foreign markets. It's like having your very own financial assistant, available 24/7, and it's ridiculously easy to use. Yahoo Finance takes the guesswork out of investing. From tracking stocks to staying informed with the latest news, it's a one-stop shop for beginners ready to dive into the world of finance. Best of all, it's simple, intuitive, and totally free. Ready to take control of your finances? Share your thoughts or any questions about Yahoo Finance in the comments below. And don't forget to watch my other beginner-friendly videos for more tips to help you grow your financial knowledge. Let's build your financial future together.